Hi, I'm Sean from Joolz and I'm here at Natural Baby Shower to show you the new Joolz Day Plus. The Day Plus is our complete pushchair. It's an all-rounder. You have the carrycot from birth to about 6 months. After 6 months, then the child goes into the seat. The seat can face both ways and it takes weight up to 22 kilograms, which is on average 4 years old. You can also get a car seat on here as well. So the Day Plus, it's, like I say, it's a complete pushchair. It's got really nice sized wheels. These have now got a white rim that goes around the edge, and it has this mesh inside the basket as well, which gives it a more of a lighter appearance. And we've now made the basket a little bit wider as well, so it's easier access from the front and from the back. Some new features on the carrycot. It now has the fully rotatable bumper bar. It has a nice little pocket here, so you can store your phone or your purse or whatever. And inside the carrycot, you also get the mattress with this little head cushion here for extra comfort for the baby. The hood has got ventilation that comes around here, and also ventilation in the carrycot, which is a really nice feature, so the baby can look out and see into the world as well. You've got a nice sun visor at the front, which you can flip in and flip out. So to take the carrycot off, it's a memory button. You just press this button one at a time and just use your bumper bar just to take off. And you also have 4 feet on the bottom, so you can put this onto the floor and it won't get muddy. So the chassis itself, it's really good. It's got great suspension, front and back suspension. The handlebars adjust to a nice height. There's lots of different positions. So it's good for taller parents as well as shorter parents as well. The basket is hinged. Like I say, it's easy access, and this really nice cool feature, you've got these LED lights which you can turn on and off on the back and also on the front of the basket. So it's great visibility, especially in the winter months when it gets dark relatively early. The basket can take 5 kilograms of weight, and I'll show you the fold. So you can lock your front wheels if you need to. To put the brake on, it's just this button at the back here, press it in. It's also flip-flop friendly, so you can press it at the top as well as at the bottom. So to fold, you have this button here at the side with this kind of like trigger, so you press both at the same time, lift it up, it folds down. It folds really nice and compact, it's super easy. If you want to put this in a boot and you've got a small boot, you can also take the wheels off if you need to. Just press this button here. You shouldn't need to be honest, but you can if you have to. And then to bring the pushchair back out, you can just lift the front wheels out and pull it back up. So it's super nice and easy. With the seat unit, the seat can face towards the parent or it can be world facing. And there's now a new button at the back which you just press with one hand to recline. So you can lay flat, halfway or further upright. A lot of the features on the Joolz Day Plus you can use with one hand. So for example, with the footrest, you can also use with one hand, and it grows, as you can see with the child. It's a really nice long seat. It's a wide seat as well with lots of padding and protection in here, so it's super comfy for the child. Also the bumper bar, again, it's fully rotatable, and you have the harness which you can adjust just here with one hand as well. To press this button to unlock, super easy, lots of space in there, and like I say, it can take the weight of up to 22 kilograms. You can take the seat off if you press this button here, similar to the carrycot. Press one button at a time, and the seat can also face forward. And it's perfect table height, so if you're going out for a coffee or a bite to eat, everyone can still see the child sat around the table just here. It's a great height, and if the child goes to sleep, you can obviously adjust the seat here as well. So lots of different positions, and when the seat is facing forward, you can lift up for the ventilation just through here, and you can see them through here as well. Also with the Day Plus, we have the car seat adapters which fit on either side, and they are compatible with the new Joolz by Maxi Cozy car seat, which fits on just here. The car seat is always parent facing, and it's a really good height so the parent doesn't need to bend down too far to pick up the baby. And with the car seat, you have the sun canopy, which is UPF 50 plus, and you can adjust this here, so you can move that back, and as you can see, it's nice and long. It goes up to 75 centimetres, which on average is around 12 months old for the baby. Makes you cosy. They have tested in-house the car seat into being in a collision up to 70 miles per hour. So you know it's a really good car seat. It's very safe. It has lots of memory foam around the edges also. And again, a lot of it is one-handed, so you press this button in here to take the straps out, and you can adjust these straps in here. There's lots of padding in there for the baby, which you can remove when they get to a certain age as well. The car seat comes in 2 colours, and it comes in a grey, as you can see here, with the tan Joolz logo, and it comes in all black with a black Joolz logo just here. The car seat fits onto a base, or it can be in the car with a seat belt as well. The seat belt will just basically come around these bits just here, and also if you don't want to have this canopy on, you can take this off and you can tuck it in down here as well. It fits on the Joolz Day Plus, it fits on all of our wheeled products. It fits on onto the Air, the Hub Plus, and also the Geo2. So the Day Plus comes in 5 different colours. 3 of them come with on a silver chassis, which is the classic blue, gorgeous grey and marvellous green. And then on a black chassis we have this new colour, which is the awesome anthracite, and we have the brilliant black as well, which is all black. They come with a lifetime warranty, and we plant a tree for every pushchair that we sell in the Joolz Birth Forest in Colombia. So far we've planted over 120,000 trees, and that is growing all the time. Rain cover is included, which covers both the carrycot and the seat. Accessories, you can buy the car seat adapters, you can buy matching foot muffs, nursery bags, parasols, there's cup holders. We also sell blankets, we sell sheets for the mattress in here. We sell anything from footboards, which clicks onto the back of here if you have an older child as well. So there's loads of different accessories in our products portfolio as well. So this is now available to buy from Natural Baby Shower. It's out now, it's in good stock, and that's all from me. Thank you for watching, and see you again.